Hi everyone, this is Cody from BridgeCom Systems, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to reinitialize your radio. So this will apply to the AnyTone 868, 878, 878 Plus, and probably future radios, but that's what it applies to at this point in time. Now the reason you would want to do this is if something's gone wrong with your radio, you want to try and reset it, you want it just back to the factory settings. There could be a number of reasons why you would actually want to do this. But keep this in mind, if you do this procedure, it will wipe absolutely everything off of your radio. It'll be factory settings, you'll lose your code plug, everything disappears off the radio. So if you want to save your code plug, if you're having an issue with the radio, make sure to back it up beforehand, that way you can throw that same code plug back in it. But let's get on with the procedure. So first off, turn on your radio. Make sure it is already initialized. In this case, this radio's been used before, so it is. So now we're going to turn it off. So here's the procedure. So you're going to hold down the push to talk button and the button directly below it. Now this is sometimes easier to do with these two fingers. Hold them down and then turn on the radio. And then once this message comes up, you can let go. So it's asking you, are you sure you want to initialize your radio? So click confirm. And now it's going to turn off and it has to reboot, go through a cycle. And there we are, the radio has been initialized. So we can set this, confirm, and we're back into a fresh radio. So there we go, that's it for now. Hopefully this takes care of any issue you've had. If you know anyone else who's having a problem with this, share this video with them. Be sure to like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell beside the button there. And we'll see you all in the next video. This is Cody from BridgeCom Systems 7.3.